What's up, Shaka Squad? We just got back from an awesome camping trip in the Florida Keys. We camped in Pennekamp, but we were a little bashful because there are crocodiles in the water. Whew, they're so scary. We really didn't want to snorkel, but we jumped in just for a little peek to see what was going around. And then we quickly got out of that water. The visibility is not for our liking. We live in paradise, so this was not our cup of tea. So we booked other activities for the kids.
Yeah, let's go back to
Today we are at the here on the beach. We're gonna go snorkeling. Today we are swimming with dolphins. Yeah! Let's go inside. This will be so fun.
On three, 1, 2, 3, back and push forward. Very nice. Oh, good boy. Yeah. Bob up and down. That's it. Keep that. Keep that momentum going. Hey, yeah. There you go.
Oh, he got it! Catch it! Oh, he got it!
Oh,
I need to do that!
keep our focus on him. There he is. So we did front dives, we can do back dives, vertical spins.
It's like we're using the remote
Shark
control on
impression.
him.
Very nice. We can do it all.
It's like he's a robot.
Wow. There you go. Look at the boy. Here comes some waves. Three splash. That is empty. What happened? He went under. Everybody took that really well. Very nice, everyone. Get him out of his brother's way. There we go. All right.
So much fun. What was your favorite part, guys?
It was getting going underwater.
That was amazing.
Yeah, would you
Everybody
do it again?
should, yeah, everybody should do that. that was pretty cool.
Like, I loved touching the dolphin 3 times. That was so much fun. I'm gonna go get some tarpon. Excuse me, can I please feed the fish? Thank you. Got my gloves on. So cool.
Whoa.
What kind of fish?
That was so cool. Shake the shakas.
Who had fun today?
I did.
What was your favorite part?
Touching the dolphin or feeding the tarpon.
Mine is getting the plushies and the packs.
Hey Mom, what are we doing today?
Yeah.
Well, I was thinking we go jet skiing.
Wait! Oh yeah!
Hold on tight, here we go.
All right.
Thanks for watching Shaka Squad. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.